Hello everyone, welcome to this number surprise challenge. Let's see what our first number is. Our first number is number 1. Let's paint this. I've placed the number on a blank canvas and I'm painting number 1 with the color yellow. Spreading the paint evenly is very important. Number 1 is ready. Let's find out what the next number is. Number 2. I'm going to use the color blue. Spreading the paint evenly, the color blue of the ocean. It's very important to take a very thin layer of the paint and spread it evenly. You can do 1 or 2 coats to give it a nice blue color. Number 2 is almost ready. Final touches. And number 2 is ready. Let's find out what our next number is. It's number 3. And I'm going to paint it red, just like the red apples. So number 3 has 2 curves, which makes it a little difficult to paint. The paint can get onto your fingers as well, but don't worry, we can wash them later. And just like that, number 3 is ready. The next number is number 4. And we are going to paint this number in green color. Green color of the trees, of the leaves, and the grass. Looks like number 4 is almost ready, just the little final touches. Spreading the paint evenly. And number 4 is ready. So the next number is number 5. So number 5, I'm going to paint it brown. Brown, just like the sand and the tree trunk. So number 5 has 2 lines, 1 sleeping line, 1 standing line, and a curve. Spread, spread, spread. Spread it evenly. And this is done. Just like that, number 5 is ready. Moving on to our next number, which is number 6. And for number 6, I have mixed a lot of paints and created this mystery color. I don't know what this color is called. I mixed a little yellow and a little orange and a little brown, which is a very unique combination, and I got this unique color. I love making mystery colors by mixing different colors in different quantities. You should also try this. And hooray! Number 6 is ready. Next in the line is number 7. And I'm going to paint it purple, just like the eggplant. Wow, this was easy. Number 7 is ready. Next, what we have is number 8. 2 circles, one big and one small. And for number 8, I've mixed another mystery color. I made this color for number 6 and I added some green to it. So it's a very unique shade of green that I've got. Evenly spreading. So it's a great idea to use a thin layer of paint because then it dries off soon. Let me make this a little darker. Spread. And this is ready. It looks like clay, isn't it? Number 8 is ready. Moving on to...
Oh no!
Oh my god! A number 9. And I'm going to paint this red again. This is a darker shade of red. So it's a little maroon. And it's ready. And our final number is the cutest of all is number 0. And for number 0, we are going to do something very special. So I'm going to use this glue. I'm going to spread it across on all sides. And then I'm going to use a brush to spread this glue very evenly. And once this is done, to bring in the magic, we are going to sprinkle some golden dust. Sprinkle. And once we've done this, we are going to use a brush and we are going to spread it even. Let's shake off the extra dust which is there. And this is ready. So for number 1, we are going to paste 1 pom-pom. For number 2, we are going to paste 2 pom-poms. One, 2. For number 3, we are going to paste 3 pom-poms. One, 2, and 3. Number 4. One, 2, 3, 4. For number 5, we are going to decorate it with 5 pom-poms. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. For number 6, I'm going to use 6 pom-poms. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next number is number 7. And we need 7 pom-poms. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It's a lot of pom-poms. For number 8, we need 8 pom-poms. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next is number 9. So I've taken a purple a red, a pink, a yellow, a dark purple, and a light blue, a green and orange and white. All the colors that I had. Let's paste them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Finally, let's put all the numbers together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How beautiful are they looking? Thank you. Bye bye.